In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to take attendance for in-school and at-home learning. First, in-school learning. You begin taking attendance by selecting your class period at the top, and then click on Take Attendance in the Attendance menu. When the screen has loaded, you will see your list of students and the radio buttons for present, unexcused, tardy, and remote asynchronous. You will take attendance as usual at your normal attendance time. Mark the appropriate students absent and click Save. If, however, you have a student who is currently marked absent, but have established engagement as described by the district, you can mark that student remote asynchronous. Since a student has until 11:59 that night to establish engagement, remote assistance can be determined the following day. For instance, if you see that Dylan Archer began working in his LMS at 10 p.m. the night before, you can double-click in the previous day's attendance column and select RA to mark him as remote asynchronous. Click Save to save your changes. For at-home learners, it is a similar process. We are going to select the next class period and begin taking attendance. The first district's suggested method to establish engagement is through your Zoom call. Here you can easily mark anyone present in your Zoom with the remote asynchronous designation. All students by default are marked present and will need to be changed to remote asynchronous present. Mark all non-present students as unexcused absence. There will be no tardies for at-home learners. After the initial Zoom call, the same rules apply as in-school students. If engagement is established before 11:59 p.m., that absent student can now be marked remote asynchronous. You can update a student's attendance record for up to 24 hours. You can determine the attendance the same day if you can determine engagement before the day is over, or you can update it the day after. So the same as before, click in the column of the previous day's attendance and select the appropriate attendance code. Refer to the attendance protocol for at-home and in-school absent asynchronous learners for establishing engagement definitions.